Hello dear student, again welcome into NPC online class channel. Dear student, after the completion of fertilization and triple fusion, today our point is seed formation. Simply, what is seed? Seed is the first part of the plant from the plant is arises. Seed ही वो एक ऐसी चीज है जिससे प्लांट क्या होता है, arise होता है या डेवलप होता है. Simply, what is the method of seed formation? What is the method of seed formation? So simply, seed develops from the ovule after fertilization. In direct language, I can say after fertilization, ovule convert into seed. So what are the changes? What are the changes in the ovules by which it convert into seed? So dear student, look here. One-sided it is ovule, fertile ovule, not unfertile ovule, and it is seed. First, look here, it is an integument part of ovule. During the seed formation, integument of ovule convert into the seed coat. Okay. Simply, if integument are two, one and one, two. So simply seed coat are also two. Outer seed coat is known as testa and inner seed coat is known as tegmen. So simply seed coat develops from the integument part of ovule, especially seed coat are two. Outer seed coat is known as testa and inner seed coat is known as tegmen. You know testa, स्पेशली ग्राउंड नट, सीड ऑफ ग्राउंड नट. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, ग्राउंड नट का जो स्पेशली लाइट ब्राउन टेस्टा एनवलप है उसको क्या करते हैं, हटा देते हैं. आपने देखा होगा डियर स्टूडेंट. और उस टेस्टा को हटा के उस पर स्पेशली जो बेसन होता है उसको लगा देते हैं और एक नया एनवलप बना देते हैं और उसका नाम कर देते हैं टेस्टी. तो सिंपली टेस्टा इज ऑल्सो टेस्टी. सेकेंड पार्ट न्यूसिलस. इट इज nucleus part of ovule and it completely consumed during the formation of seed. It means it's not remain in the seed. I repeat, it is not remained in the seed, but some seeds are present in nature in which some nucleus part is remained. Okay. Third point, antipodal cells. These antipodal cells also destroy during the seed formation. Second last part, pen, and pen is triploid structure because it forms by the triple fusion. So pen, primary endosperm nucleus convert into endosperm. Next and last, zygote. It is 3n structure pen and next zygote, and zygote which is diploid 2n, it forms the embryo of seed. So in other language I can say especially seed contain mainly three parts. First part seed coat, second part endosperm, third part embryo. Seed coat develops from the integument part of ovule. Endosperm developed by the triploid primary endosperm nucleus. You know very well, triploid primary endosperm nucleus or triploid endosperm is a specific characteristics of the angiosperm. ये angiosperm का स्पेशल क्या है बेटा, कैरेक्टर है. Then third point, zygote. Zygote develops from the egg cell after fertilization and zygote forms the embryo. Simply, what is the function of seed coat? Seed coat का function क्या है? Seed coat protect the seed by the climatic factors or by the pathogens or insect. जो भी इंसेक्ट होते हैं उनसे सीड कोट क्या करता है, उसको प्रिजर्व करता है, उसको बचाता है, क्लाइमेटिक फैक्टर से उसे क्या करता है, बचाता है। एंडोस्पर्म का फंक्शन क्या है? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म? सो एंडोस्पर्म प्रोवाइड द नरिशमेंट ऑफ डेवलपिंग एम्ब्रियो। जो एम्ब्रियो डेवलप होता है उसको क्या देता है बेटा? नरिशमेंट देता है। एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एम्ब्रियो? एम्ब्रियो फॉर्म्स द न्यू प्लांट। सो सिंपली एम्ब्रियो, endosperm and seed coat all are the parts of seed. Now formation of seed. How many types of seeds are present in nature? According to biology subject, not agriculture subject, कितने तरह के seed nature में होते हैं? So dear student, seed are categorized into 3 types. First seed, albuminous seed. Second is non-albuminous seed, and third perispermic seed. So simply seed are present in the 3 forms: albuminous, non-albuminous and perispermic seed. Simply best example of albuminous seed is monocot. Non-albuminous example is dicot, and perispermic seed example is black pepper or piper, kali mirch. What is albuminous seed? In this type of seed, endosperm is remained. It means इसमें क्या बचा हुआ है? एंडोस्पर्म बचा हुआ है. Why endosperm is remained? Because total endosperm is not consumed during the development of embryo. I repeat, why endosperm is remained? बचा हुआ क्यों है? Because total endosperm is not consumed during the development of embryo, and remaining endosperm provide the nourishment of new seedling plants. So what is the function of endosperm? First function, endosperm provide the nourishment of developing embryo, and second function, in monocot seed, endosperm also give the nourishment of new seedling plants. Second, non-albuminous seed, these are dicot seed. Dicot seed is pulses. Monocot is means complete cereals. In pulses, total endosperm is consumed during the development of embryo, so endosperm is not remain, बचा हुआ नहीं रहता है. But special character in dicot seed, in the non-albuminous seed or dicot seed, cotyledons become fleshy and thick due to storage of food. Simply in the dicot plant, dicot seed, cotyledons क्या करते हैं? फूड को स्टोर करते हैं और क्या हो सकता है? थिक और फ्लैशी हो जाते हैं. These are non-albuminous. And third type of seed is perispermic seed. So what is perispermic seed? Especially complete nucellus of ovule consumed during the formation of seed. जब seed बनता है तो nucellus क्या होता है? Consumed हो जाता है. But some in seed it is remained. So remained nucellus is known as perisperm, and such type of seeds are known as perispermic seed. You know, perispermic seed are not related to non-albuminous or albuminous, because perisperm is not related to endosperm. It is a part of remained nucellus. So remained nucellus is called as perisperm, or such type of seed are known as perispermic seed. So dear student, I repeat again, how many types of seeds are present in the nature? Then your answer is first, albuminous seed. These are found in Monocot plant, so monocot seeds are also albuminous seed. Why these are called albuminous? Because endosperm is remained, and remained endosperm provide the nourishment of developing new plants. Next, what is non-albuminous seed? In this type of seed, complete endosperm is consumed, so endosperm is not remained, and it is found in the dicot plant. In such type of dicot plant or dicot seed, cotyledons become fleshy and thick due to storage of food, and all pulses are the best example of non-albuminous seed. Third type of seed, perispermic seed. Generally during the development of seed, complete nucellus is consumed or destroyed. But in some seed, nucellus is remained, and remained nucellus is known as perisperm, and such type of seeds are known as perispermic seed. And best example of perispermic seed is black pepper, and black pepper is also known as, क्या कहते हैं इसे, आपको पता है क्या कहते हैं काली मिर्च को? इट इज आल्सो नोन एज, सिंपली याद कीजिए, हाँ जी क्या कहते हैं बताइए बेटा, शाबाश, मसालों की रानी। ये सब पढ़ने के बाद आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ सीड फॉर्मेशन वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट फ्रूट in my next lecture. So continue, join us, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.